Big changes are coming to Android. Starting next week, Google Play will begin allowing third-party app stores, following Epic Games' legal victory over Google. Here is what happened. Google and Epic Games have withdrawn their settlement appeal, meaning Google must now comply with the court orders. As a result, third-party app stores can now be distributed through Google Play in the United States. This means users may soon be able to install app stores like the Epic Game Store directly from Google Play without downloading them from external websites. Why it matters? This is a major shift for Android because users will have more choices beyond Google Play. Developers can distribute apps through alternative stores. Companies like Epic Games gain a new way to reach Android users. It could reduce Google's control over the Android app marketplace. The rollout begins July 22 in the US and it could reshape the future of Android app distribution. Do you think this will make Android better or could it create new security risk? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.